ना ना
पहिले कितें
एकूच मरे आतां जालें मरे 2 मिनटां
पयलीं कितें करताले
पळयता विचारता रिपोर्ट
इतली वर्सां दिली 10-15 वर्सां कोर्सूच दिना मागीर कोचीस घेतात कित्याक तुमी
ती पॉटी सांगिला युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट दिले ना म्हाका आतां फुटबॉला आतां ही मेसेज येयला दे हॅव गिवन ऑल
चर्चिलाच्या फुटबॉलाचे पयशे आमी सगळे दिल्या
चर्चिला उलयना हांव गोंयच फुटबॉला उलयता बिकॉज सर
Speaker sir.
युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशनान दिला
चर्चिल आले पावलो फुटबॉल खेळटा
केन्ना तूं रिलीज करतलो
दिवपाची आपयली केन्ना दवरिना दिली
स्पीकर सर 2036 लक्ष्य आसा ऑलिंपिक्साचो देशाचो टू ब्रिंग इन अहमदाबाद पण हे लक्ष्य तुवें विल गोवा सेंड एनी प्लेयर्स बी व्हेरी सिरियस युअर युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट ऑलरेडी हॅव बीन गिवन बाय GFA क्लियर कर मातशें
स्पीकर सर आमी तो जे सांगता पळय न्ही फुटबॉलाक 2 तरेन पयशे दिता एक आमचे फुटबॉल असोसिएशन हांकां दिता आनी जे क्लब्स आसता पळय न्ही तांकांय दिता हांवें ताका ते चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचे पयशे आमी क्लियर
फ्रेंड आहा कायतान GFA प्रेसिडेंट फ्रेंड म्हणतो ते दी पयशे
तेजे पयशे उरले ते आमी जाता
बेगीन दी
प्रश्नकाल सोंपता 0 ओवर श्री वेंजी वेगस श्री वेंजी वेगस
गाल मरे
वेंजी वेगस
Speaker sir, the need to formally recommend to the government of India. CM sir, Mashe. Disturb. The need to formally recommend to the government of India, particularly the Department of Posts, the issuance of a special commemorative postage stamp in honor of Saint Joseph Vaz, the patron saint of Goa, whose life and service amplify deep faith, compassion and resilience. Born in Benaulim, Goa during the Portuguese colonial period, Saint Joseph Vaz went to become one of the most influential missionaries in South Asia, particularly in Sri Lanka, at a time when Catholicism was persecuted. His legacy has significantly contributed to Goa's spiritual, cultural and historical identity.
Yes.
Despite his canonization by Pope Francis in 2015 and the wide reverence he enjoys across Goa and South Asia, no official recognition has yet been granted. The issuance of such a stamp would serve not only as a tribute to a great missionary and a humanitarian, but also as a source of pride and identity for the people of Goa. I just need your assurance that you will put it up.
Noted, Speaker sir.
Alex Reginald.
The attention of the House is drawn. Elevator of the South Goa Planning and Development Authority (SGPDA) Fatorda has been not functioning for the last month. It was repaired. It was not functioning for a long time. It was repaired. And there are all offices, think SPDA, sale tax, GST, सगळे हा. Steps government will take to see that the concerns of the people there who are climbing that offices, especially the senior citizens and people who have different hardships high, they should be given justice. Because sir, office पासून ती हाय जाल्यार ती शिफ्ट करपा येता. Anyway, that we will take on the grounds, but हेजेर मातशे लक्ष दिन लोकांक हे लिफ्ट बेगीन सारकेलो लिफ्ट परती हांगा जाल्यार इतले.
Yes. Sri Kedar Naik.
Take on it.
Malfunctioning of several street lights at NH66 highway near Bhumika Temple, Girim, and on the service road near Ganpati Visarjan Point, Girim, which can lead to fatal accidents. Also, the street light near Saligaon Circle are malfunctioning, as this is a major junction and serves as a gateway of most of the tourists travelling from Mapsa to Panjim to the coastal areas. It is crucial that these lights are promptly monitored and replaced. Therefore, I kindly request the Honorable Power Minister to look into this matter and take necessary action at the earliest. So, एकूच ऐड करता है का. सुका सर किने आला यो लाइटी असा कंटिन्यूअसली 2-2 वर्ष आली थोडे पेटना. आता यो लाइटी पेटना कारण ते केबल घालता पळय तेन्ना हेंच्यांनी PWDन ते डॅमेज केल्या म्हणून. पण स्पीकर सर ते ब्लेम गेम जावंक फावना. जे कितें जालें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हणटा PWDन फोडले 2 वर्सां लायटी पेटना थंय फेटल एक्सिडेंट जाला आतांच आमचो अंडर सेक्रेटरी नारायण अभियांकर म्हणटा थंय एक्सपायर्ड दिसा एक्सिडेंट जावन जाला तो त्याच हेजेर मिनिस्टरान मातशें लक्ष घालून म्हाका करून दिवचें तें निदान फक्त हांगा ते म्हणजे PWDचेर घालतात ते
डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टे.
There is a growing fear and anxiety among the people of Bicholim regarding the unsafe condition of the local market structure. Just a few weeks ago, heavy wind caused part of the roof to fly off on 2 separate occasions within the same week. Despite this risk, the department has not conducted any structural stability certification for 3 years. No proper inspections were carried out. Furthermore, the fish market is operating in a severely unhygienic environment. The drainage channels are blocked and the overall sanitation and hygiene of these premises are being seriously questioned by the residents of Bicholi. I urge the minister to take immediate and decisive action to address and rectify this unacceptable condition to ensure public safety and health.
Yes.
Minister.
Is anything already ते सकाळी जेन्ना आयिल्ले हांवें तुमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट कर म्हणून सांगला DMA हेल्थ ऑफिसर FDA तांकां तिगांक घेवन तुमचे बरोबर इन्स्पेक्शनाक वचून
ते कशें आसा न्ही एकच मिनट घेतात ते मार्केट 2012 बांधला कांयच मेंटेन ना ते सगळे परत करचे पडटले मार्केट आनी फिश मार्केट दोनूय आर इन बॅड स्टेट्स
जी तारनुकर.
Speaker, the attention of the House is drawn towards the CRZ notification 2019 as provisions that will protect the livelihood of the local communities. The provision of CRZ notification 2019 will be effective from the date of approval of CZMP 2019. I urge the government to expedite the notification of CZMP 2019 and protect the livelihood of the local community. Speaker said, Honorable Chief Minister begin at the plan here.
Because sir, it is in process. आम्ही जाता तिके बेगीन फायनलाइज करपाच्या वाटेर आसा कारण आमकांय हो विशय CZMP 19 जो आहा पळय न्ही तो जावपाक जाय सरकार एक्सपर्टायट करीत आसा जातले हाजी खात्री करता.
Speaker sir, there is a fear and anxiety among the people because the MDR road from Queeninagar to MS College Junction is in a very bad state. There are potholes and cracks. The computer find it very difficult to commute on that road. Many accidents have occurred there. For the last many years, this road was in bad condition during the monsoon every time. It is required many times this issue highlighted in the press and social media, requesting the government to kindly dispute officials to inspect this road and come with permanent solution. This bad road condition should be not happen during every monsoon. So the Jwarinagar road asa, तो आमचो डॅमेज जालो आसा जातातले बेगीन वो रोड एवरी इयर आमकां हो प्रॉब्लम मॉन्सून टायमार प्रॉब्लम जाता तो आमकां जातातले बेगीन आमकां रोड रिपेर करून दिवचो.
PWD instructions दिता रोड क्लियर करता.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, attention of the House is drawn to problems faced by over 200 residents from 33 households in Zue, Nanwara village, the smallest island in Goa, living in constant fear due to the unsafe condition of the only bridge connecting them to the mainland. The bridge has been declared unfit by the Deputy Collector of Bardez, and vehicular movement has become impossible, causing several hardship to the residents. With no alternative route, the risk of complete isolation looms large. Immediate action is urgently needed, and construction of a new bridge must be taken up on priority to ensure the safety and connectivity of the people. The steps the government intend to take in this matter. Speaker sir, 27 लाख सुमार मोडलेले आसा ह्या ब्रिज रिपेर करपाक.
केन्ना आमचो ऑलरेडी मिनिस्टर थंय वचून इंजिनियरांक बी सगळ्यांक घेवन वचून तो रिपेर पळोवनूय आयला तो जाता तितके बेगीन रिपेर जातलो आनी तो नवीन पूल बांदपाचें आमी डिसिजन घेतलां. नवीन पूल ऑलरेडी म्हणजे मिनिस्टर थंय वचून पर्सनली आयला. नवीन पूल जो म्हणल्यार तुवें फेब्रुवारीन केन्ना तरी आमी नवीन पुलाचें फावंडेशन स्टोन घालता प्रोसेस सुरू आहा. हो पूल जातलो
फेब्रुवारी फावंडेशन स्टोन घालता.
ऑलरेडी आमचे मिनिस्टर थंय वचून आयलो.
तुमी दिला.
Honourable Speaker, I want to draw the attention of the House to the order issued by the General Administration Department asking occupants of government quarters situated at Santines Penjim to vacate the premises by 31st July 2025 as the government wants to demolish these buildings. The residents, mostly government servants and Hamara school working for marginalized children, have requested the government to give some more time to vacate the premises due to the rains. Only steps which the government can take to help them.
बिकॉज सर आम्ही त्यांच्याकडे कंटिन्युअसली उलयत आसा तांकांय सांगला गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो खंय खाली जागा आसा जाल्यार तुमी पळय आमी ती दिवपाक तयार आहा म्हणून आमी कॉपरेट करता तांकां पण मातशें तांच्यांनी स्पीड अप करून
Cruz Silva.
Speaker sir, despite the nationwide ban under the provision of Electronic Cigarette Act 2019, e-cigarettes are being illegally sold near schools and colleges. This device, discussed as pens or USB drives, are luring students with fruity flavors and misleading packages. Nicotine and addiction, respiratory issues, and long-term harm are rising. Teachers report growing cases. Online sales continue unchecked. Goa must not wait. I urge the government to crack down on illegal sale, monitor digital platforms, and launch awareness campaign in Konkani and English. Let Panchayat help report violation and protect our children. Because it is not a trend, it's a threat.
Yes. Sri Yuri Ademo.
Noted.
Speaker sir, this is to draw the attention to the Chief Minister to the acute shortage of staff at almost 90% of the police stations in the state. More specifically at Margao, Mapsa, Kunkolim, Maina Kurtorim, Kolwa, Vasco, Kepe and Ponda. It is observed that the key posts are vacant such as PSI 215, DYSPs 28 for over 2 years. The Honorable High Court has also taken suo motu cognizance of the matter. Steps the government is proposing to take in the matter. Because आज on newspaper, एक मिनट.
जो डेली एक न्यूजपेपर दाखोवपाक लागलेलो आसा.
ही हेडलाइन टाइम्स ऑफ इंडियाचेर सबजुडीज मुळशी. आज क्राइम इतली वाडलेली आसा.
टाइम्स ऑफ इंडियाचेर फाल्यां परत त्याचा फोटो हाडटले ते.
सर ही क्राइम वाडलेली आसा, ड्रग्स वाडलेले आसा आणि म्हाका दिस एक मिनट स्पीकर सर, चीफ मिनिस्टर इज अ सिरियस मॅटर. व्हेन विल यू फील दिस? आमगे कुंकोळे थिंगा ती शॉर्टेज पयर सांगलो ती कोत
काय आता का सांग कुंकोळे घालता पुलीस म्हणून सांग.
आणि ही शॉर्टेज गोंयभर आदी केन्ना? when will you feel it? It is High Court has taken cognizance.
आम्ही आमचे रिझर्व बटालियन आसले त्यांचे काय बी धाडटा. आता आमचे ट्रेनिंगेक गेल्ले पुलीस जे सगळे आहा पळय न्ही, 12 तारखेक कितें तरी आसामाक वयचलो त्यांचे फायनली हा फंक्शन आहा ते येयले काय ना. जवळपास म्हाका दिसता 15 ऑगस्टाच्या उपरांत भरता सगळे
सगळे गोंयभर.
हय गोंयभर 700 पुलीस आता परत आनीक शॉर्टेज उरचे ना. 700 पुलीस एक्स्ट्रा येता आता. तुका जाय ते धाडटा मानवले.
पेपर्स बिलेट माननीय मुख्यमंत्री. पेपर्स बिलेट माननीय मुख्यमंत्री. सीएम.
Papers to be laid. Speaker sir, I lay on the table of the House the paper shown against my name in today's list of business.
Shri Atan Sumansarat माननीय महसूल मंत्री.
Sir, I lay on the table of the House the paper shown against my name in today's list of business.
Calling attention Shri Sankar Bamonkar. Sankar Bamonkar ना. Calling attention Shri Yuri Ademo.
सिरियस इश्यू आता संकल्प बामणकर आशिल्लो ना अशें तुम्ही झिरो आवर तुम्ही कॉल आउट करू ना. नाही एक मिनिट
योग ना तो काम करतले. उगीच कितें करे सर.
Yes. Opposition leader.
स्पीकर सर, अरे आमकां तुम्ही 0 आवर दिना.
घालता रेग्युलर घालता.
आज कितें दिवं ना? आज कितें दिवं ना? ना स्पीकर सर म्हाका हे मातशें कारण
बिझनेस रे तो.
0 आवर म्हणजे इंग्लिश चुकता कितें चुकता काय
फाल्यां दिवपाक जाय
ना. सेम मॅटर डिस्कस जावपाक जाय. जाल्यार हांव बोवाळ मारतो ना भायर
नाही.
स्पीकर सर,
इश्यू तुमच्या पार्टीन रेज केल्लो. तुमच्या पार्टीन रेज केल्लो.
अरे काडपाचो तेन्ना काड मरे.
हा केन्ना काडटा?
तो काडपाचो तेन्ना काड. 0 आवर दिवपाक लाय तेचे उरलाले.
मुख्यमंत्री तुवें उलोवपा जाय. आतां मेंबर कपाट उलयला. मुखेलमंत्री सांगता आज हें दिता, हाल हें दिता, वर हें दिता.
दिवपाक लाय.
अरे मुख्यमंत्री
8 तारखेक कितें की मुखेलमंत्री स्पीकर आहलो मो मागीर मुखेलमंत्री जालो आनी कितें चेंज जावपा आहा 8 तारखे हाटल्या सगलो तोच
मुख्यमंत्री सांगून हांवें सांगला
खंय सांगला तुवें? तूं काय उलयता
फाल्यां हांवें सांगला म्हणटा तुका फाल्यां म्हणून
फाल्यां दिता म्हणून सांगला.
मुखेलमंत्री चॅक कर रिकॉर्ड.
फाल्यां येवन दी आनी कॉलीग एटेन्शन जाल्यार आनी बरें मातशें बरें जातलें हांव येनाच रावपाना
because the attention of the House is drawn to the urgent need for a master plan to safeguard the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Old Goa. Despite the Archaeological Survey of India protecting 14 heritage monument sites under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958 with prohibited and regulated zones, illegal construction attempts persist. A master plan and strict enforcement of rules and regulations are essential to preserve these sites. The steps the government will take into this matter.
Because what honourable member has raised is an issue which we have gone through in detail at depth. I have asked them to circulate the reply that our department has given. I have asked them to circulate just now. As far as 100 meters Picasso goes, he's talking about the illegal construction, but if you give me anything specific, because from when I became a minister, we notified that 100, up to 100 meters is a prohibited area.
There's a bungalow there. There's a bungalow already there.
No.
I'll give you, I'll speak.
And 100 to 300, you require NMA and ASI permission before you take any kind of a thing. And under conservation zone, whatever repairs and maintenance and other things are concerned, within 100, that under conservation committee gives the permission. But here everything has been notified. For the first time, notification which was not clear has been mapped on the regional plan. And you don't require specific regional plan because all these the churches and every monument that is there is already been notified and it's already there on the plan. So those areas are already restricted. So prohibited areas 100. If there is anything specific you want me to look at, you let me know. I'll take it up.
Speaker sir, हो एकदम important issue हा आणि खास करून the UNESCO heritage sites are at Old Goa. And Speaker sir, these are properties of outstanding universal value. When I say that, Speaker sir, today these have become world's treasure located in Goa. We saw the amount of people that came during St. Francis Xavier's celebration. And त्या वेळार Speaker sir, आज government हांव सांगपाक सोदतां, there have been multiple reports of illegal structures and religious construction near this heritage monument, like Sir Cathedral, near St. Cajetan Church. 21-22 on Speaker sir, a controversial bungalow came up in the regulated zone with TCP permission. आणि त्या वेळार Speaker sir एक public outrage जाली आणि eventually हे permission was revoked by the TCP. But Speaker sir, the structure for till today it exists despite revocation. I पहिले म्हणलेले मुखेल मध्ये सांगलेले तो योगी थिंग उडयत हा मो यूपीन कितले स्ट्रक्चर तू तो बुलडोजर घेवन उडय मो
बरीच पटली.
Because sir, ये आज Save Old Goa Action Committee आज they have made a representation to you as well. कि ये vigilant लोग आज आमचे स्टेटाचे they have protested, demanding, but still there is no action. Because I don't know why the government has so much love for this bungalow and not for the people of the state. You have their permission to revoke kela, but still it is pending. Speaker sir, Old Goa today is not just a tourist site, but it is a spiritual, architectural and a cultural symbol. A goinchi symbol and a goinchi global legacy. And a protection, a preservation is just not for tourists, but for posterity. Speaker sir, I strongly advise that the Honorable TCP department, you need to roll out with a master plan. Now what is this master plan? It needs to incorporate the provisions pertaining to the protected and regulated zones as per the ancient monument and archaeological sites and remains. Now let me finish. Let me finish.
Honorable member Visallo Sangpak, they already have circular answer.
No, you give me an answer.
Gazette has already protected sites in 2021 has been notified.
No.
As per that only we have to go.
There has to be strictly a message of Kesli construction within 100 meters from the boundary of the notified ASI monument. In the past, there have been attempts, eco resort, several other things because that have made yesterday also tourism minister job project these norms have to be followed because of permission beyond 100 meters. Up to next 200 meters, requires permission from the National Monuments Authority, from NMA. Now, this has to be made more specific or monument specific. When I say monument specific, these are not only national monuments, because these are UNESCO heritage sites. It's because of consultation with TCP, and you all have to take the panchayat also into confidence. Aaj kiti zyada speaker sir, a lot of facilities there. Development are incompatible with the character of the area. Khas karun buffer zone, you have to put legal restrictions and on its use of development. Speaker sir, this will be an additional layer of the protection that you've inscribed. You have to give these legal restrictions. Speaker sir, I demand that a document management system stating how the property will be preserved. You come out with these guidelines. Because resources for its protection and management is something that the government needs to look at. A conservation committee, aspak jai. You take TCP department, archaeological department, tourism, village panchayat, representations of the church. This committee is because Magadista sogle stakeholder again. There is no representative of the church. Because Magadista je Sarao ki preparation and implementation of a master plan as per UNESCO and NMA guidelines needs to be done. Formation of a conservation committee with representation from all the stakeholders. Demarcation of your buffer zone for heritage sites needs to be shown on the RP 2021.
It's already
and
shown.
As state and national monuments, you need to include all unidentified monument sites in this heritage list. Anik nimane, ek inspection team immediately to identify all the structures which are illegally constructed in this buffer zone, and it needs to be headed by possibly the North Goa collector or a retired High Court judge. Because our issue ekdam gambhir asa, Honorable Minister, I think you need to look at this very sensitively, because this is something to do with our culture, something to do with our heritage. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Sri Viresh Borkar. एक 2 मिनिटांनी विषय सोबत फक्त 10-20 मिनिटां
खूप इम्पॉर्टंट विषय आसा स्पीकर सर आम्ही वॉज कॉलिंग अटेंशन अलॉंग विथ युरी अलेमा कार्लोस आणि वेंजी वांगडा घातलेले आसा आणि हे कित्याक घातला की एक मास्टर प्लॅनाची गरज आसा जो युनेस्को आमचो वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सायट आसा ओल्ड गोवा हांगा मास्टर प्लॅनाची गरज आसा हो जो रिप्लाय येयला हांगा स्पेसिफिकली तेंच्यान सांगला की नो नीड फॉर मास्टर प्लॅन टू सेफगार्ड द सायट प्रोटेक्टेड बाय ASI हो रिप्लाय दिल्लो आसा मिनिस्टरान. आतां स्पीकर सर अशें दाखोवंक सोदता की हांगा कांयच जावंक ना. हांव स्पीकर सर तुमकां मुद्दम रीड आउट करून एक कंप्लेन जी आसा ही चीफ मिनिस्टराक पाविल्ली आसा पीटर रॉड्रिगीज म्हणून आनी तेंच्यान क्लियर कट थोडे जी लोकेशन्स आसा ती ह्या एरियेन दाखयल्ली आसा आनी हो जो प्रेस नोट आसा हेजेर 54 इनलिगल स्ट्रक्चर्स इन एंड अराउंड जो एरिया आसा हांगा येयल्ले आसा हे मिनिस्टरान पळोवचें. हांव मुद्दम थोडे तुमकां रीड आउट करून दाखयता. एक फोर फार्म हाउसेस विथ 10 बेड रूम ईच हो कंस्ट्रक्शन आसा. Illegal bungalows and various other construction illegal construction of road touching the wall of St. Francis Xavier Chapel, heritage interception center, garbage treatment plant, chocolate exhibition center, 21 ghost house number, IPB initial laterite resort, land conversion act survey number 68/1C and 65/3 part, Madkekar estate with bungalow, हेलिपॅड साउंड पोल्युशन हे थोडे हे आसा जे रिजनल प्लॅनाच्या अंडर जो म्हणटा आमी जो रिजनल प्लॅन 21 आसा तेच्या अंडर आसा. स्पीकर सर हांगा आमचो गोंयचो साहेब आतां हो इम्पॉर्टंट जे आसा गोंयचे साहेब आनी इन अराउंड 14 जे आर्किओलॉजी नोटिफाय ASI नोटिफायड सायट्स आसा. आतां ह्यो 14 ASI नोटिफायड सायट आसून बसून हांगा असो रिप्लाय येता की मास्टर प्लॅनाची गरज ना आनी मिनिस्टर म्हणटा की आनीक तितून रिप्लायन आनीक आसा स्पीकर सर की समज अशें कितें घडलें जाल्यार एज पर जो आर्किओलॉजिकल एक्ट आसा 1958 हेच्या अंडर तुमी एक्शन घेवंक शकता. इनलिगल समज हें आसा विलेज पंचायत जी आसा लोकल विलेज पंचायत इज एम्पावर्ड टू टेक इनलिगल एक्शन ऑन अकॉर्डिंग टू द पंचायत राज एक्ट. हांव स्पीकर सर म्हणपाक सोदता
TCP डिपार्टमेंट हांकां परमिशन दिता, हांकां परमिशन बिंदास ग्रांट करता आनी मागीर तुमी सांगता की पंचायतीन एक्शन घेवपाची आनी ते पंचायत जेन्ना एक्शन घेवपाक वयता जेन्ना स्टॉप ऑर्डर हाडटा तेन्ना मागीर ते कितें करता ते BDOन वयता ते DOPन वयता की आमकां TCP डिपार्टमेंट कन्सर्न जी डिपार्टमेंट्स आसा तेंच्यान सगळी परमिशन ग्रांट केल्या मागीर ते कितें म्हणटा मागीर तुमी कोर्टान वचा म्हटल्यार आयज सद्याक चल्ला कितें स्पीकर सर की तुमी नाचत रावा आनी कन्स्ट्रक्शना इनलिगल दीत रावा स्पीकर सर हो जो प्लॅन आसा हो ASIचो प्लॅन आसा हितून क्लियर कट 300 स्क्वेअर मिटर जो बफर झोन आसा रेडियस विथीन रेडियस हो क्लियर कट दिल्लो आसा आनी हांगा जो ऑनरेबल TCP मिनिस्टर विश्वेश राणे आसा हेंच्यांनी हांगा एश्युरन्स दिल्लें की विथीन 3 मंथ्स गेल त्या वर्सा विथीन 3 मंथ्स आपूण बफर झोन करतलो आनी हो आतां यू टर्न मास्टर जाल्लो आसा कित्याक यू टर्न मास्टर जाला
Point of order. He has to be specific. Speaker sir, let me speak. Yes. Decorum asula na uttar dina.
Speaker sir,
Speaker sir, एक minute.
Sir, stop जायना. You can have a chance.
I just want honorable leader of opposition 1 minute. Speaker sir, he can speak what he wants if there is a violation. He can speak.
What is the violation?
एक minute. हांव उलयता. मातसो एकूच सेकंड म्हाका दी मागीर तूं जाय तें सांग. हे ते यू टर्न स्पेशलिस्ट बी आनी मागीर व्हिडिओ घालता पयर तुमकां हांवें सांगलें हे हांगा तियात्र न्हू हे तो विशय कितें मांडटा आनी कायद्या प्रमाणे जे हांवें उत्तर दिवपाक जाय तितलेंच दितलो बाकीच्यांनी कितें उत्तर दिवपाक जाय दिवूं दी पण तेणी हे फकाणाचे हावजाचे जे करता खंय तरी स्पिकरान लक्ष दिवपाची गरज आसा आनी भायर वचून स्पेशली सब्जेक्टाचे मर्यादित
फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस एश्युरन्स दिल्लो 3 महिन्या भितर जो बफर झोन आसा हो रिजनल प्लॅनान नोटिफाय करतले म्हणून
तेणी वाचल्यार काय करू शकना तांकां सवय पडल्या
एप्लिकंटांनी मागलेले आसा की जो मास्टर प्लॅन आसा हो मास्टर प्लॅन करचो म्हणून सो हे मिनिस्टरान रिप्लाय दिवंक जाय हो बोलता कितें उलयता तेका म्हटला यू टर्न मास्टर म्हणून आनी अशें कितलीशी एश्युरन्स आमकां दिल्ली आसा ती एश्युरन्स अजून पुराय स्पीकर म्हाका काबार रावना
तुम्ही जॉइन
मागीर जाय
सर म्हाका उलोवपाक जाय मातशें कंप्लीट करता म्हाजें स्पीकर सर हांव कंप्लीट करता सो आमचो स्पीकर स्पीकर सर ती वर्ल्ड रेट आतां तुमी पळयता की कर्नाटकान हंपी म्हणून आसा थंय असोच मास्टर प्लॅन केल्लो आसा आनी तेंचो जो एंटायर एरिया आसा तो सेफगार्ड केल्लो आसा आयचे दिसाचे स्पीकर सर आयज पासून तेंच्यांनी म्हाका मेसेज केल्ली आसा लोकलांनी जो सेव्ह गोवा एक्शन कमिटी आसा तेंच्यांनी मेसेज केल्ली आसा की आयज पासून थंय इनलिगल जे कन्स्ट्रक्शन आसा चालू आसा आतां हेजेर मुख्यमंत्र्यान आनी म्हाका दिसता TCP मिनिस्टरान रिप्लाय दिवपाक जाय की बाबा आपण एक्शन घेतलो हे परमिशना ग्रांट करता मागीर पंचायतीन घालता पंचायतीन ऑर्डर काडपाची म्हणून कितें स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर
मागीर जेल मुट्री घालया बरें हांव उलोवपा दिया स्पीकर सर
तुझे 3-4 मिनिटांमध्ये सोपय
हो इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू आता
शांत राव I rise to bring to the attention of this House a serious failure by the Archaeological Department, Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, and the Government of Goa. Despite being required by law, they have not yet prepared and notified heritage bylaws for Old Goa, our most iconic heritage site. According to Section 20E of the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958, heritage bylaws must be prepared for every protected monument. These bylaws decide what kind of construction, roads and services can be allowed near heritage sites. Rules made in 2011 gave ASI and NMA 10 years to finish this work. The deadline has been crossed. 10 वर्ष deadline काबार झाली. Recently, ASI Goa Circle has said that site surveys have been done for 14 monuments in Old Goa and Aguada, but nothing has been done yet for other important sites like Harvelem Caves, Tamdi Sulla, Kurdi Mahadev Temple and Chandor. Because sir, the competent authority of the state of Goa is one Mr. Rajesh Naik, Chief Town Planner, who is now suspended. It is under his eye that the bylaws are so terribly delayed. So astona ye bylaws itli delay zali wa. Speaker sir, there is a proviso that before bylaws are